Hi, welcome to the Cultured Bumpkin. I'm Jake. I'm a professional voice actor. That's what I do for a living. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can narrate your own videos. And you don't have to hire a guy like me. The first thing is be relaxed. A few of these in through the nose, out through the nose, in through the nose, out through the nose. It helps regulate your breathing. It brings your pulse down. It makes you less uptight because when you're uptight, you do things like this and it does not sound good. Be relaxed. All right. Now, from a relaxed point, you can still be intentionally energetic. You can be intentionally laid back. You can be intentionally whatever you want to be. But when you're relaxed, you're going to be at your best. You're just like a pro athlete for the Olympics, for a big ball game. They're stretching, they're warming up, and from that state of relaxation, they can do whatever they need to do. But they're not going to only be one thing, like super tight or super laid back all the time. You want to be relaxed, you can do anything you need to do with your voice. Now, the next thing is if you have an up-tempo type of a thing, a high pace, don't be afraid to go line by line, right? Do one line really fast, do the next line really fast, and then you can always come back and edit out the empty spots into where it's fast cuts, right? And then the third thing is just practice. Find some people that you really like to listen to. They're engaging. Morgan Freeman, Natalie Dormer, Tom Selleck, Benedict Cumberbatch, Tom Hiddleston, Kate Blanchett, all these and many more. Just find somebody that you like and listen to them narrate. Find movies with them. Find stuff on YouTube is going to be your easiest thing. And then just sort of listen and say, why are they engaging? Why am I so moved right now? Why am I called to action? And then when you do that, you're going to start to take on your own inflection and stuff like that and develop your own style, right? And then the fourth thing, which I didn't mention, link is in the bio. I'm a coach and I can help you with that. But you don't need somebody like me. You need to practice. Also, you need a mic, right? It doesn't matter how wonderful your voice is. You're going to have a microphone in order to be picked up. So I'm going to give you a couple options. These are all ones that I've used personally, and links to them are down below. First one is the Blue Yeti. Now, this one's really old. This one's probably 9 years old. It still works well. It's a cardioid mic. It's a directional mic, and it's a condenser mic. You need to be in a somewhat sound-treated space because it's a condenser mic. It picks up everything. Now, the pros of this are it is a USB mic. You can plug it right into the computer and it'll work right then. Another great feature is that it has some podcast settings, so you can change it from directional to bi-directional, and then you have a group setting. Also, the price, it's right around $100 as of the time of this video. That's going to be one of your cheaper ones, and it's really good. You'll see this one on a lot of people's live streams and YouTube channels. If you're just doing your own stuff on YouTube, you can't go wrong with this. This is a really good choice. This one is the Shure MV7 Plus. Now, the cool thing about this one is, one of the cool things is it has XLR hookup, which is like a little, it's a bigger wire. It's not a USB plug-in. And then it has a USB-C or whatever that helps you, you can plug right into your phone. So if you want to do, TikToks, or if you have a video podcast or something like that, or you want to shoot the video and upload it right to YouTube, the sound is going to be perfect and you can use your phone. That is so cool. It's a great feature. And I really like the way it sounds. It's nice and warm. This is a dynamic mic, so you can get away with being in a little more noisy of an area. So check that one out. And finally, the Warm Audio WA47 Junior. I really like this one. This is a condenser mic and it is XLR, and it's great for not only your voice, but for instruments. So let's say you have a YouTube channel where you're playing your guitar. This is great. It picks up music very well. Those are some great choices. Okay. You can get links to all of them down below. So definitely check these out, and maybe you'll find something you like, and let me know if I can help you with coaching. Remember those things we talked about as far as doing your own thing, and just best of luck. You're going to do great.